Hello, welcome back to Life Mill Life. So, I can do a craft. Thought I'd show you what I'm doing. So, the items that I got. This box I got at Michael's. I did not pay $24 for it. It came in one of the $4 grab bags. So I thought, I'm going to do something with this. So I've got this. And then I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up a bunch of these wired garland. They didn't have the long strips of garland, so I got this. And I've got some candles and some potpourri that was in my haul video yesterday. So let's get busy here. All I'm doing is just bending these so that they fill. No rhyme, no reason. Just fill in the bucket or the box. We'll see how this turns out. Yes, Mr. Brody's trying to help me. So we'll see how this goes. Let's see. So of course everything at our Dollar Tree is $1.25. So each package of these were $1.25, and each of the candles were $1.25. And then I got these. Each pack was $4.99 at our liquidation store. So let's just fill this greenery. I've been using the same centerpiece on my dining room table for Christmas for quite a number of years. So I decided it was time for a new one. So that's what I'm doing. So Kevin is in Ontario for work. He left this morning. And he'll be home Thursday night. And so I think cooking with Kevin will probably be either Friday or Saturday instead of Thursday, because we didn't do a video ahead of time like we thought we might. We got busy. So it is what it is. And Kevin will be having his surgery on his neck on the 28th of November. So there won't be any cooking with Kevin for a number of weeks. However, I will be vlogging his progress through his surgery. So we'll see how that goes. All right. Lots of greenery in there. And now we'll open these bags. This one's got some gold trimming in it, and the other one I think's got some silver. Ooh, it smells too. Not nasty. It says it's cinnamon, but I don't know. Oh, it's so pretty. There we go. I will put the second bag in as well. Are you having fun watching Mummy Chew, Brody? Do you think all the people are enjoying it as much as you are? I don't know about that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, and you'll know when more videos are coming up. And you can watch our journey through Kevin's recovery of his surgery. And when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I am doing a giveaway. Now, the giveaway will be for anybody in Canada and the United States. Unfortunately, the way postage is, I just cannot afford to send anything overseas or anything like that. I'll clean that up after. So let's see what we've got here. All right. These are the battery operated ones.
That's really close.
Oh, look at that. All right, let's tuck this in.
Issues just.
All right, now we've got a Christmas tree. These candles look like they change color. They do. I didn't know that.
Nice.
These candles change color. Go figure that out. Who knew? That one's having a bit of a hard time. I might have to change the battery on that one, but that's okay. We will do that later. All right, there we go. Got a new centerpiece. Why not? Rustic. I might add some ribbon to this, or I don't know, but I just wanted a new centerpiece and just something a little different, and so that's what I did. And this little guy is not working quite. There we go. Anyways, just a quick DIY. Cost me maybe $15, if that. So stay tuned for more DIYs. Dorothy and I plan on doing some cards and different things like that. And I hope everybody has a great weekend. Oh, I guess the weekend's over. Great week coming. The rest of your weekend. And we will see you on the next video.